Shah Rukh Khan lived in a rented apartment in India with his parents and his older sister. He was very good at studying and was expert in sports such as football and hockey. One day, his school teacher asked him, "What do you want to be?" He replied that he wanted to be an actor. His classmates were laughing at him. Then his teacher, trying to convince him that his dreams will never be possible. He was discouraged in many ways, but he remained firm in his decision. When he was studying for a master's degree, he left his studies to pursue his dreams to become an actor. But suddenly his parents died and his sister fell into deep depression. So Khan took the responsibility of his sister. He had a really hard time supporting himself and his sister. When he moved to Mumbai and tried to make him as an actor, his hard days began to dawn. He was struggling with so many failures and poverty. Sometimes he had to spend the night on the street. There were times when he was kicked out of the house for not paying rent. As a way to survive and overcome poverty, he started taking movie roles that were rejected by other stars. In the early days of his career, one director told him that he is ugly and not hero type. In 1992, he got the role of the second male lead role in the movie Deewana. He was cast as a replacement and agreed to do the role for a small amount of money. Finally, that year, his hard work brought him success. He won the first Filmfare Award for the Best Male Debut. His patience, hard work, and dedication make him one of the best actors and most successful superstar in Bollywood. So, are you struggling with any problems? Don't worry, problems will not last forever. There will be problems, but there will also be solutions. Think positive and do hard work. Nothing is impossible. Do not let your problems control you. You should learn to control your problems. Be ambitious, be fearless, be positive. Do what you want to do, but you must work hard no matter what. Never give up and you surely reach the pinnacle of success.